for those who may not have been a part of this so far, this is a role play exercise that I use and have used for many years. Usually, what we want to use this with is during a call blitz. And so we can do a start, stop, repeat to start to rehearse the different sections of the call so that you get really, really comfortable with the different scenarios that might pop up in your cold calls, so that when you have the cold call, it's fairly easy. And we're going to start with the intro. Once we feel really comfortable with the intro, in practice, we would actually want to go and start making some real calls, and then we would stop. We would then move into the next section of the call where there might be some challenges, do the start, stop, repeat, and then move forward. We'll start with the intro. We'll do the start, stop, repeat, give some feedback. And then hopefully we can get people that are pretty ready to go through their intro. We can move into the next section of the call around the purpose of the call. Do we have our first guest ready to go? Bring them on stage. Here we go. Omar.
Hey, how's it going?
It's going well. How you doing today, brother?
Yeah, I'm pretty well, bro. What about you?
I'm doing well. So,
Nice.
is this your first time on the show? Do you know what we're going to get yourself into today?
Yeah, this is my second time. I was on here last week. I did pretty bad, but I want to improve, so I came on again.
Here we go. So, for those who are tuning in, who you be in this world? Who is Omar?
Okay. So I'm a sales rep for a commercial cleaning company in London.
Oh, you're
Speak
back,
to office
brother.
managers. I'm back, bro.
Back, brother.
Ready to learn.
Office managers in London.
Office manager.
And
Yeah.
great. Well, let's see how you're doing today. And we will get past intro, I hope, and we can move right into the body based on last week's session. So you know the drill. This is Ryan.
Hey, Ryan. It's Omar here. How's it going?
Not too bad. How you doing today, man?
Yeah, pretty well. Thanks, Ryan. I'm looking to speak to you regarding commercial cleaning, if you have a few minutes.
Yeah, what's up?
Yeah, so we work with Gatehouse Bank just next door to you guys, and we specialize in office cleaning for investment banks, private equity firms, and family offices in the city. Did the cleaning for the royal family for 20 plus years, as well as being in business for 112 years running now.
Hey, this is Ryan.
Hey, Ryan. How you doing?
Not too bad. Who is this?
Cool. It's Omar here from Mayfair Cleaning. We haven't really spoke before, but wanted to get to know you a little better through phone call, if that's okay.
What's up?
Yeah, so we work with Gatehouse Bank just next door. Wanted to introduce myself and my firm. Is cleaning like a relevant priority for you right now?
Hey, this is Ryan.
Hey, Ryan. How's it going?
I'm doing well. How you doing today?
Yeah, not too bad. Working from home for the first time. It's pretty good. I'm liking it.
Great. How can I help?
Cool. So Ryan, I wanted to speak to you regarding commercial cleaning if you have a few seconds.
Yeah, what's up, man?
I came across your company online and seeing you guys are an investment bank. We specialize in cleaning for investment banks and private equity firms. We work with our capital for 5+ years now, just a few doors down from you guys. I thought it'd be good to get in touch with you.
Sure. What can I do for you?
Cool. Yeah, just wanted to know, like, how are you guys managing the cleaning schedule right now
Hey, this is
at your
Ryan.
company? Hey, Ryan, how's it going?
Not too bad. Do
Cool.
I know you?
No, it's Omar here from Mayfair Cleaning. Not really spoken to you before, but was looking to introduce myself and my firm.
How can I help?
Cool. So we specialize in cleaning for investment banks and private equity firms in central London. We work with our capital, just a few doors down.
Let's stop here. How's that feeling today?
Better than last week, but I mean, obviously still not there yet. But be working on. I'm not sure where I'm going wrong either. Like,
there is no going wrong at this stage. You're just trying to start, stop, repeat, start, stop, repeat. We're just trying to get you through those gates. So what you're doing well is you're starting your calls pretty much the same. Hey, Ryan, how's it going? Hey, Ryan, how's it going?
Yeah.
Hey, Ryan, how's it going? Fantastic. We got past that. Now, as we shift into whatever I'm going to say, there's going to be some curveballs from here and there. I might throw you off like we've
Okay.
done before. But then I want to transition. What's up? When I say what's up, how can I help you? Or, what can I do you for? Why are you calling?
Oh, is that the
Um,
next stage then?
we're going to
Next
shift
stage of
it to
the
the
call.
next stage of the conversation. So what are we
Okay.
going to say here? We want to have that consistency and confidence piece there as
Mm.
well. So what are we going to say next? And I know you've got this ability to reference, hey, we actually work with someone down the hall. Maybe it's a similar building or something of that nature. So this is where you're giving us that reason for the call, and I like that you're setting some relevance, or you're dropping some names here. Um, but each time it's still a little bit different. Sometimes you're saying, we're a commercial cleaning company, we got all this history, and other times you're saying, hey, I know these people down the hall. So
Yeah.
choose one, right? And the reason
Yeah,
why
I'm
you
not
want
sure which is relevant, to be honest. Like, do people like to hear that, we've been in business for this long and
to, no
we,
one gives a shit about that.
yeah, I was about to say, because no one really cares about your
No one
product.
cares. No one cares.
Yeah,
So, but it's good to have some clarity. Good to have some clarity. But at this stage, what I'm thinking in my mind is like, and I just asked you, why are you calling? What's up? How can I
why are
help
you
you? What is it?
calling?
So
Yeah,
get
why are you
right to,
calling, not who your company is?
yeah. Why are you calling me?
Okay,
What?
okay.
Can you help me? Solve my problem or go away. So we want to think about um, getting into that conversation as soon as possible. But like I said, it's okay to use that clarity. Like, hey, by the way, we work with someone down the hall, and so the reason I was calling. Okay, so that's just setting some relevance for me to be like, all right, this isn't. I guess there's some reason for the call, but still, I don't care. I don't really care. It does give me a foot in the door a little bit. It might, maybe not. Maybe I hate those people. I don't know. You don't know either. But it's okay. But get to the reason. Why are you calling me?
Hmm.
And ideally, you can quickly identify that I am a person that you can help or not. So we want to try to set the context there, and there's lots of different frameworks for that. I'm not here to judge your framework, but the transition phase from you got me, your intro, you got me here, we're talking. Now get to the why, the reason, the purpose, whatever. When we're in there, this is your opportunity to um, tell me why you're calling, and ideally, you're aligning with again a problem, a pain, a threat, an opportunity. You're educating me. You're doing something to keep me interested to get to that next
Yeah,
phase. Once you've gone there, like, yeah, that sounds generally interested, then you're going to move into
yeah.
some
I
sort
was,
of call to action or uh, request or something, right? So,
yeah,
second
I
phase
was gonna
is
say,
why.
Ryan, I did have a question if I can bring it up.
Uh huh.
So the thing of it cleaning is most people tend to be with their commercial cleaning companies for 5 plus, 10 plus years. They don't like to change it because it's too much hassle. And
Hmm.
like last thing I want to do is, shit talk their current provider and be like, oh, this is why we're better and stuff. But like
Sure.
I I just feel like there's a lot of pushback already in the call and people are like, nope, not interested.
Yeah.
But not sure how I can build like open that
That's,
conversation.
so that's everything, by the way. Right? No one wants to change,
Mm, yeah,
right? Like it's on us to identify. Um, is there a conversation to start to build a relationship, and then when the timing's right, it's there. Only 3% of your market's buying at any given time. Okay, so if
mm,
you understand that 3% of a market is buying right now, what would that mean? Well, 3% is 1 out of 33. Okay, so out of every 33 people you talk to, mathematically, one person might be buying right now. So 32 out of 33 times, you're going to have people that aren't actually ready to buy. Now, another
mm,
7% or so of your market might be open to exploring right now, right?
yeah,
So if you get buying now and open to it, now maybe you got 10% that's willing to engage in a conversation. That's that's 1 out of 10. Okay. Um,
okay,
so 9 out of 10 times you're gonna get no thanks, not interested, not now, not me, some other outcome. That's just a part of the game. But your job is to identify, are they the right person, and if at some point in the future is the conversation to be had. So there's no magic bullet here. and it's a search game. We are making a call. You're going to tell me why I'm calling, and then if it's not a fit now, that's fine. Let's just follow up. You're going to follow up in the future. Okay. So let's try that one more time. Let's get into a specific reason. What is the reason for your call that might make me interested in continuing a conversation? And this all come down to, what is your objective? Your objective for this call is to do what? What are you trying to do? What are you trying to
book a meeting, like a walkthrough site visit.
Okay, that's why you're calling me. You want to see if at some point we could do a site visit for some reason. And why would I care about that? Why would I want that?
We can, possibly help you guys see if there's anything that can be improved with the cleaning. If anything, we can do better to see if our companies are a good fit. Because it's like, for signing over a contract, you want to get to know like how we work and stuff.
Okay. So you're trying to see if my current cleaner, who I've been working with for 5 years, doesn't dust right or something.
Yeah, I mean, not just that, but like if they're willing to invite you over for a site visit, that means there is some interest. Like there might be something going wrong.
Okay.
Obviously, we're not there to pick holes, but like even if there's something we can't do at the price that the current company does, then we'll just say sorry, it's not for us.
Okay. There's a lot of me in here, right? Let's let's try it and see how it goes. All right. So hey, this is Ryan.
Hey Ryan, how's it going?
I'm doing well. Do I know you? Who is this?
No, Ryan, it's Omar from Mayfair Cleaning. We work with Gatehouse Bank just a few doors down. Wanted to speak to you about commercial cleaning, if you have a few minutes.
I'm busy, man.
You're busy. No worries. Can we set a time, maybe sometime you're free, like perhaps next week? It's a 5-10 minute phone call.
Hey, this is Ryan.
Hey Ryan, how's it going?
I'm doing well. How you doing today?
Yeah, pretty well, thank you. We'll start again.
Hey, this is Ryan.
Hey Ryan, how's it going?
I'm okay, man. How can I help you?
Hey, I'm looking to. Oh, sorry.
Hey, this is Ryan.
Hey Ryan, how's it going?
I'm doing well, man.
Cool. Oh, dude,
all right, let's stop.
I keep stumbling my pitch.
You're rattled. You're rattled.
Yeah.
Thank you for tuning in. I know this isn't easy. Hopefully, the conversation that we had here will help you think about that transition statement. But I think we talked about this last time. You're gonna really, really benefit from writing down the exact words, phrases, and sentences that you're going to want to use at each section of your conversation. So some people call it a script and they think it's a dirty little word. I don't make any calls without literally the words that I'm going to say written out. And I think you'll go, you'll really help up level that calling experience if you have those words written out. And then you can start to play with them over time, right? When I say this,
right,
it's not coming off right. Make it your own. Don't have to sound like a robot, but write down what you want to say, practice it, rehearse it like you would here. And then when you get into your calls, it's going to be a nice, easy transition from each of the phases. And when someone rattles you a little bit with a little curveball, you're like, oh, no, that's not a problem. You get right back to where you want to go. All right. Good job. Good job today, brother.
Man.
We'll
I appreciate it, man.
I appreciate you volunteering and coming on again. It's not
brilliant.
easy.
Thanks, Ryan. See you.
Have a good day.